Hey guys, it is Stock Lock Sunday and today we have a car lock. So yeah, let's try this. In the vise. We have it. And the tensioner for the bottom. Let's try to rake it first. There we have it. It's open and spring loaded, so it locks up all by itself. Let's try to zip it. I felt a little bit of movement on the core. Nah, that didn't work that well. What about that disc there? Alright, let us SPP it. And we have it there. So, there you go guys. That was a fast one, but it's raked and SPP'd open. And zipping failed. But that's a Stock Lock Sunday. So, that's all guys. Thanks for watching and have a good day.